So hello guys. So today we are going to talk about the lookup error. Basically, it happens when you're reading the file. So I had previously solved the Unicode decode error in Pandas. So someone asked in the comment section on how to solve the lookup error. So basically, happens when you pass the wrong value to the encoding attribute when you are reading the file. For example, for this, let's pass encoding to unknown and try to read the file. So here I just created a sample file which you are going to use on when I'm trying here to demonstrate on the error. So this is the basic sample file. So then you're going to read that file. Let's pass the encoding as unknown, and you see where the lookup error comes from. So when you read the file, you'll see lookup error unknown encoding. For some cases, most people will get the Unicode here. Unknown encoding Unicode. So basically, this happens when you pass the wrong encoding to the wrong value to the encoding attribute. But for most of the cases, these files we use most of the encoding are the UTF-8 or because they are the most commonly used encodings. UTF-8, 13.1, 13.1. Then we have ASCII. So these are the most commonly used encoding. So yeah, okay, this is just an example for file. So when you pass the UTF-8, it will read. Basically, when you get the error of lookup, you can interchange the encodings. Try your UTF-8, 13.1 or the ASCII and see whether the error will be solved. So when you pass that, it will read. And basically, if I pass 13.1 to this file, it will basically read because I just created it from my code editor here. So basically, it will work for them all. But there are those who have the specific encodings. And basically, this other way you can try it. Maybe when you're reading the file, you can do away with the encoding. And basically, your file will stay there. But I don't know about your case. Maybe to the solution I just provided. If your file don't work on any of those, please you can ask on the comment section. I can try solve it for you to see how we can do away with your lookup error you are getting at the moment. So in the meantime, please consider subscribing. Thank you.